Hey there, awesome friends! Welcome back to Eva Central, where learning is always an adventure. I'm Eva, and today, I've got a whole bunch of exciting fun facts to share with you. First up, did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? Isn't that amazing? Here's another cool fact. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Can you believe it? And last but not least, bamboo can grow up to 35 inches a day. How awesome is that? That's all for today's fun facts. If you enjoyed learning with me, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more cool facts with Eva. See you next time.